Hello all, Kude Art here again. This is a project that I started before I even visualized or thought of a YouTube channel. Sunset at Apache Junction is an 8x6 miniature infinity wrap, which I refer to as a mini fin. The smaller the painting, the smaller the paintbrush. Here I'm using a round number 3 to get at some of those tiny little shadows. If I flip the painting a little bit, you'll see what I'm talking about the infinity. Infinity wrap style is my own creation. It's when a framed painting has the painting wrapped around the frame. Like a gallery wrap style, except it is on a frame instead of on the canvas. I have another infinity wrap style currently in progress, a full-size painting, Dixie and Vu. I will pin a link to that and my other videos in the comments. My creativity was stalled for a little while. I was in kind of a painting slump. But by creating this YouTube channel, it's really helped me revitalize my ambition and my desire to paint. I hope you enjoy watching as much as I enjoy making these videos. Here I'm using a 1/8 wisp brush to get in some of the fine details on this foliage. I love sharing my knowledge of art, painting, and many other things. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will definitely answer you. I've switched over to a round number 2 to define the branches in that tiny little bush. This is 100% wood canvas. Anytime you paint on wood, it does require a little extra work because it does have a tendency to look a little flat. It's because wood is not as porous or flexible as a canvas. Now I'm back to my 1/8 wisp brush to add the detail on that tiny little bush. I had quite a bit of this painting done when I picked it up again and revitalized it for my YouTube channel, so it is almost done, just maybe a few more videos. I have a lot of work to do on the infinity wrap portion of this painting. As you can see, using these wisp brushes, you basically dab in your different colors. That's what helps create your definition and your texture in your bushes. And now I'm dabbing in darker shades to create depth. If you enjoy watching me make progress on my painting projects, or find value in the information that I share in my videos, please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It's all free and it really helps my channel grow. Oh, and if you hit that notification bell, you'll get notified when I post new videos. I always seem to forget that for some reason. So here you see me bringing in the rays of the sun. That's a very thin wash of yellow with a little bit of white. Here I'm blending some areas of the sky using a flat number 3. These are all very small, fine brushes. Thank you so very much for watching all the way to the end. It's very much appreciated. If you're interested in purchasing any of my work, please visit my shop, Kude Art, on Etsy.com. Thank you so much.